Hello guys, nowadays there are many DSA courses which are floating around on the YouTube, which is delivered by Aman Bhaiya, Anuj Bhaiya, Love Bhaiya, this Bhaiya and that Bhaiya. In this video, I am going to discuss about top 5 free DSA courses on the YouTube. I will also discuss about pros and cons of these YouTube DSA courses, and I will also discuss about the medium of instructions, whether it is delivered into the English or into the Hindi. So you will get the fair idea after this video from which DSA course you have to start your DSA journey. So without wasting a time, let's get started. In this list, on the 5th number, there is a course which is provided by the Code Help by Babbar. This course is delivered by the Love Babbar, who is the ex-Amazon employee. This is an ongoing course in which total 71 videos uploaded yet, and if I talk about the frequencies, then you will get every new video within 1 to 2 days. If I talk about the language, then this course is totally delivered in the Hindi. So if you are comfortable with the Hindi and if you are a beginner, then you can go with that course. Good thing about this course is that in this course, along with the course in the theoretical part, you will also get the contests and the lead code questions which you will have to solve with the theoretical part, and you can apply your knowledge, and you can get the solutions of these problems which is solved directly by the Love Babbar. And if I talk about the languages used in this course, then in this course there is extensively used C++ language. So if you are if you want to work on the DSA with the C language, then this is a perfect course. You can start with that. On the 4th number in this list, there is a course which is provided by the freecodecamp. This course total in length is about 8 hours 3 minutes long. This course is delivered by the William Fissett. William is a Google engineer, so you can imagine that there is no compromise with the quality of that course. If we talk about the language of this course, then this total course is delivered into the English language. If I talk about the content of this course, then in this course you will get everything. In this course, every topic is covered very deeply, like arrays, linked list, stacks, queens, binary search tree, evil trees, hash tables. Everything is covered very deeply. But the biggest problem with this course is that then if you are a beginner and if you don't have any previous knowledge with the DSA, then you can find the little bit difficulty in that course. The biggest advantage of this course is that every concept is covered using the graphics, so you can easily grasp these concepts and you can understand these topics, and this is very easy to understand. If I talk about the programming language, then in this course there is a programming language which is used is Java. So if you want any DSA course which use Java, then you can go ahead with that course. And if you are compatible with the English, then this is the best course for which you can start and you can sharpen your DSA skills. On the 3rd number, there is a course which is provided by the Code with Harry. This course is delivered by the Harry Bhai. He is a very experienced person in the development field. This course is almost completed, and in this course playlist you will find approximately 92 videos in this playlist. All the topics like arrays, complexity, and the arrays, linked list, stacks, queen, graphs, and trees, everything will be covered very deeply in this course, and this course is delivered into the Hindi language. So if you are comfortable with the Hindi and if you are a beginner, then I swear you will not find any difficulty during doing this course. The main advantage of this course is that whenever you will complete any topic, then you can download the handwritten notes of that topic. So it comes very handy if you are preparing for the placement or if you are preparing for your exam. So it will very become handy for in both the cases, and you can revise your concept with these handwritten notes. In this course, Harry Bhai discussed all the topics by using the Microsoft Notes application, in which all the topics covered by using the graphs and by using some images. So you did not find any difficulty to understand these topics. And if I talk about the language, then in this course, in this whole course, the every topic and the every topic and in the every code you will find the C++ language. So the Harry Bhai used the C++ language extensively in this course. So if you are a beginner and if you want to do any DSA courses which will help in both the cases, like in the placement or in your exam also. And if you are a beginner, then this is the best course for which you can go with that, and you can start your DSA journey with this course. I will provide all the courses links in my description section, so you can and directly go on these courses. In this list there is next DSA courses which is provided by the Jenny's lectures. In this course you will find 112 videos in this playlist. This course is completed and it is delivered by Jayanti Khatri Lamba ma'am. She is very experienced in the development and the teaching field. She is teaching computer science subjects from more than 2 years. In this course, every point and every topic is discussed. Whether it is the sorting algorithms or whether it is the theoretical part like the arrays, linked list, stacks, and the queen. Everything is covered. This DSA course is totally delivered in English language, and Jenny ma'am used whiteboard to explain every topic. In this course, C++ programming language is used. If you are preparing for the exams or for the GATE exam, then this is the course I recommend to you. In this course, every topic is discussed theoretically as well as practically. So in this list on the first number there is a DSA course which is provided by the Apana college. In this course you will get 226 videos and the length of these videos is average 10 minutes, and this course is completed, and in this course you will get all the topics covered from sorting algorithms to arrays, linked lists, stacks, queen, trees, graphs. Everything is very precisely covered in this playlist. This course is delivered by the Shraddha ma'am, who is ex-Microsoft, so there is no doubt in the quality of the content. This course is delivered into the Hindi language. Main advantage of this course is that you will get the notes of every topic which is covered in the form of PDF. In this PDF every topic is covered very precisely, and these notes are very short and crisp. So these notes are very helpful in revising the concepts in case of the placement or also in case of the exams. So these PDFs and the notes are very helpful, and this is very precise. So you can easily download these notes from here, and you can take the printout of it, and you can compose it, and this is very handy in the exams period. And one of the most useful feature is that at the end of the every video you will also get a puzzle to solve. And the most important feature I very liked of this course is that the most important feature is that in all the videos you will get the analogies and the concept which is discussed in a animation form. So these animations makes the videos to grasp very easily, and these animations makes it very easy to grasp. In this course the programming language is used is C++. So due to these reasons I put this course on the top of my list. What are your thoughts on these courses? Drop a comment below, and if you like this video then just hit the like button.